I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest adventure, where I'll take you on a walking tour of the hidden coves of the French Riviera in Captal. As always, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or suggestions. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. So let's get started. Captal is a stunning coastal town located on the Mediterranean Sea. As we continue our tour, you'll see that there are several beaches to explore, each with its own unique charm.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
From small, intimate coves to larger, family-friendly beaches, there's something for everyone in Captal. One of my personal favorites is the secluded Cove of Plage Mala, which is hidden away at the end of a steep trail. It's a bit of a hike to get there, but the reward is well worth it. The water is so clear and blue, it's like something out of a dream. Another highlight is the stunning Plage Mala, which is known for its soft and crystal clear waters. It's the perfect spot for a swim or a leisurely stroll along the shore. As we wrap up our walking tour of Captal, I hope you've enjoyed discovering the hidden coves and stunning beaches of the French Riviera as much as I have. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.